Draw skirt length plus 3 cm from A to B. Mark waist to hip and label it C. Square out from A and C. Make a rectangle. Draw E to H quarter waist measurement plus 4.25 cm. Draw upward from H 1.25 cm. Join H to E and H to C. Divide E to H line into 3 parts. Square down from J and K. Draw 2 cm wide dart. Make a curve at waistline. Curve H to C 0.5 cm outward. Mark F to L quarter waist plus 2.25 cm. Draw 1.5 cm upward from L. Join L to F and L to C. Mark L to M 1/3 of L to F. Square down 10 cm. Make a dart 2 cm wide. Draw waistline with slight curve. Finish tight seam 0.5 cm curving outward. Square out from B and finish the skirt. If you are serious about mastering pattern drafting, subscribe and stay here. Thanks for watching.